In alcohol, they have observed two types, distillated alcohols and non-distillated alcohols. Distillated alcohol ಅಂದ್ರೆ alcoholic concentration ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ because they have distillated product like whiskey, brandy, rum. They have contained 45%, more than 45% of alcohol because they have distillated, and remaining those like beer, wine, okay, they have contained only 8 to 7% alcohol because they are non-distillated alcohols. Okay, overall all alcoholic products can produce it by using the microbes Saccharomyces cerevisiae. And in alcoholic industry they have used it as a substrate like cereals, fruit juice, and molasses is one of the byproduct obtained in sugarcane industries. Okay, this is the first industrial product. Next, coming to the second industrial product is antibiotic. Okay, the meaning of antibiotic is that the microbes or the chemical it work against to pathogen is called as antibiotic. Against to life according to pathogen is called as antibiotic. But antibiotics it enhance the life for human beings. According to human beings, the same antibiotic is called as pro-life. The antibiotic was first found out by Alexander Fleming in 1928. He basically worked on Staphylococcus bacteria, but in that cultured plate of Staphylococcus bacteria, some black colored mold will be growth. And he observed that mold, surrounding that mold region, there is no growth of Staphylococcus. Okay, finally he concluded that mold is a Penicillium notatum, it secretes penicillin, it inhibits the bacterial growth. And so the first antibiotic is penicillin, extracted from Penicillium notatum fungi, okay, by Alexander Fleming. Okay, in later Howard Florey and Ernest Chain, they have introduced active potential antibiotic, okay, in 1945, and he awarded as a Nobel Prize. Okay, and that antibiotic have saved so many millions of soldier life in Second World War. In nowadays more than 5,000 antibiotics are extracted from the different types of microbes like bacteria, fungi. Okay, next industrial product are acid. In major acids like citric acid, butyric acid, lactic acid, okay, these acid can extracted from the microbes. For example, citric acid is extracted from Aspergillus niger fungi. Okay, butyric acid is extracted from Clostridium botulinum bacteria. Then acetic acid is extracted from Acetobacter aceti. Then lactic acid is extracted from Lactobacillus. Ethanol can extracted from yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae. These are the major acid can extracted from the microbes in industrial scale. Okay, then coming to the enzymes, so many of the enzymes they can also extracted from the microbes. Okay, major enzymes are lipase enzyme. Lipase enzyme can mainly used in industrial product like detergents. Okay, soap and detergent they have mainly used lipase enzyme for remove the oil stains. That enzyme can also extracted from the microbes. Then in bottle juice industries like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Mazda, okay, these like bottle juice industries, they have used enzyme proteases and pectinase enzyme as a clearing agent. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಬಾಟಲ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ಕುಡಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ನಾವು ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಡ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ರೀಸನ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ pectinase and protease enzyme. They have clearing agent. Okay, then another one enzyme, streptokinase, is one of the enzyme extracted from Streptococcus bacteria. That streptokinase enzyme, they will act as a clot buster. That means have removed the clot in blood vessels. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಮಯೋಕಾರ್ಡಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ವೆಸಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಕ್ಲಾಟ್ ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಟೋಕೈನೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Hence they call clot buster. These are the enzymes can extracted through microbes. Then have coming to bioactive elements extracted from the microbes. The first bioactive element is statin, is extracted from Monascus purpureus. Monascus purpureus is a type of yeast. In that yeast have extract the statin. Okay, the statin is act as a blood cholesterol lowering agent. ಇದು blood cholesterol level na reduce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ because it inhibit the cholesterol synthesis gene. Okay, another one bioactive element is cyclosporin A. It acts as a immunosuppressive agent. It can extracted from Trichoderma polysporum. Trichoderma polysporum is a fungi. Okay, that cyclosporin A is immunosuppressive agent. They have used it during the time of organ transplantation. ಈ ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಶನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ರೆಸಿಪಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಆರ್ಗನ್ನ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಟಿ ಲಿಂಫೋಸೈಟ್ಸ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿನ ಸಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಪೋರಿನ್ ಏನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಇಮ್ಯೂನ್ ಸಪ್ರೆಸಿವ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಬಯೋಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. Overall, industrial product extracted from the microbes. The ladybird beetle and dragonflies are useful to get rid of dash and dash respectively. Option A, caterpillars and mosquitoes. Option B, mosquitoes and fruit borer. Option C, mosquitoes and aphids. Option D, aphids and mosquitoes. Okay, it is one of the biocontrol agent. Both dragonflies and ladybird beetle. This is the ladybird beetle, is the dragonflies. Both are considered as a biocontrol agent because these are the natural predators of pest. ಒಂದು ಪೆಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಪ್ರಿಡೇಟರ್, and they are considered as a biocontrol agent. Dragonflies are mainly feed the mosquitoes. Okay, and ladybird beetles have mainly feed the aphids. Aphid is one of the major pests in agricultural plant that can feed by ladybird beetle. Hence the correct answer, aphids and mosquito. Biocontrol agent. Question higide, the main source of biofertilizers are A, bacteria, B, cyanobacteria, C, fungi, D, protistas. Okay, option A, ABC, option B, ABD, option C, BCD, option D, ACD. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮೈನ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಯೋ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 4 ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ, ಸೈನೋಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ, ಫಂಗೈ, ಪ್ರೊಟಿಸ್ಟಾ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ. In bacteria, some examples like rhizobium is one of the symbiotic bacteria associated with leguminous plant and fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Acetobacter, azospirillum, they were also free living bacteria have fixed the atmospheric nitrogen. Hence bacteria will act as a biofertilizers. Cyanobacteria, in cyanobacteria like non-stalk anabina, they will also fix the atmospheric nitrogen, and it is also biofertilizers. Then coming to the fungi, mycorrhiza, it is a symbiotic association with higher plant root. Okay, and it allows for absorption of phosphorus and it gives resistance to drought and root-borne pathogen to plant, and is considered as a biofertilizers. Fungi also. Protista, they don't show any biofertilizing activity. And in the given option, A, bacteria, B, cyanobacteria, C, fungi, all the 3 are act as a or source of biofertilizer. Option A is correct. A, B, C. Bacteria, cyanobacteria, fungi act as a biofertilizers. Next question move agona. The greater BOD of wastewater relates. A. Increases oxygen content of water. B. Decreases oxygen content of water. C. The decrease the temperature of water. D. All of these. Sewage treatment topic question. Okay. BOD, biochemical oxygen demand. That means the amount of oxygen consumed by microbes for degrading the organic material in 1 liter of water. That BOD is directly measured to the pollution of water. Pollution of water. In a water body, the BOD is high. Pollution is also very high. If BOD is low, pollution is also very less. Okay, this is the BOD. Hence, the greater BOD of wastewater, it relate decrease the oxygen content of water, because the higher BOD is related to high organic material and high microbes will be there. The higher microbes have consumed more amount of oxygen, hence it reduce the oxygen content in water body. Okay, yavaga BOD high irutto alli oxygen content level low irutte, pollution high irutte. Question higide, first step in biogas production is carried out with the help of option A, obligate aerobes, option B, decomposers, option C, methanogens, option D, parasite. Okay, is the biogas production topic question. First step in biogas production. Okay, basic. The biogas can produced by some anaerobic microbes, especially methanogens, by degrading the decaying materials like cow dung and other organic materials. Hence, the first step of biogas production is carried out by methanogens. Okay, methanogens is the anaerobic bacteria have degraded the organic material and produce methane gas. Okay, and the correct answer is methanogen.